Yo, it's your boy the Android.To back again with another quick video. So I'm here with a Motorola G85 Android phone, and in this video I'll be showing you how to turn on Wi-Fi calling. But before I actually show you how to turn it on, I'm just going to explain what Wi-Fi calling is all about. Okay, so Wi-Fi calling, once you turn it on, it allows you to use a Wi-Fi network to make and receive calls and texts, even when your cellular signal is weak or unavailable. So now that I've explained what Wi-Fi calling is all about, I'm going to show you how to turn it on. So to turn it on, just follow my steps. Pull down the notification panel twice, go into the settings, and then scroll down to where it says network and internet. Then select SIMs and mobile network. Then select your telephone number here. And then simply scroll down to where it says Wi-Fi calling. And then just turn the switch on to enable it. Use Wi-Fi calling. And then here it explains pretty much what I just said at the beginning of the video. When Wi-Fi calling is on, your phone can route calls via Wi-Fi networks or your service provider's network, depending on your preference and which signal is stronger. Before turning on this feature, check with your service provider regarding charges and other details. So yeah, that's how you turn on the Wi-Fi calling on the Motorola G85. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, share the video, follow me on YouTube, and also follow me on TikTok. I'm out. Deuces.